We are in Hyderabad, India right now. It's been 7 years since we last visited Hyderabad, a city I love everything about. The calmness, the crazy, and all the intellectuals, especially the history and culture. After coming here again, I realized how much I had missed this place, including the street chaiwalas, the tea lover that I am. We've been in Hyderabad for the last 6 or 7 days. We have one final free day in Hyderabad. That's right. We were here for some work and finally we had one full free day of nothing. We stayed in Hotel Mercure in Banjara Hills, a nice city hotel with just enough amenities that we needed. We have a few things planned for today. Let's go, let's go. Alright, so we just got on the tuk-tuk. The auto as they call it here. Ryan loves the auto rides here.
Yalla!
Yalla, yalla!
जैसे अच्छी बोली एंड कच्ची बोली
कच्ची बोली में जाके क्या करते हैं
ओके भैया इधर देखो थैंक यू वेरी मच आई लव यू यू हैव अ गुड डे हैदराबाद नंबर 1 Number one. Thank you.
Alright, so we've gotten off our auto. Sometimes it's really interesting to haggle the price with the auto drivers. We were in Mumbai just before this. And in Mumbai, they use the meter in the auto and the taxis, so you don't really have to bargain about the prices. Here, they say they don't use the meter. I don't know if it's because we look like outsiders or what, but they don't use the meter. So you kind of have to bargain the prices with the auto drivers. And crossing a road is another thing, is a skill you should have. Just like in Nepal. I'm going to this fabric store. I just need a couple of stuffs. Fabric store part is done. Maybe we'll go to the Chowmahalla palace. Notice this man on the bike next to me? I don't know what was up with him, but he literally swerved right in front of me and stopped. Maybe he was curious, maybe not. Yep, it's all part of traveling. You meet strange people, and one of the ways to deal with it is you ignore them, don't talk to them, and keep moving. On a lighter note, the way Dorje and the driver were trying to communicate with each other was hilarious.
I like these trees, are nice. Oh, beautiful. Jubilee's better. Hey, old city. अच्छी नहीं. Old city अच्छी नहीं. खीर खाना मिल रहा है खीर. आपका खीर मालूम है? खीर. दूध है. मलाई खा. दूध मलाई खा और दूध मलाई खा. वो सेता वाला होता है ना खीर चावल अच्छी लगता है आपका बड़े बड़े हिंदी में हाउ आर यू कैसा कहता है अच्छा है तिलंगा में मंचुगुन्नारा मंचुगुन्नारा हाउ आर यू ओके फाइन ओके बागुन्नारा जापान में सैनारा बहुनारा बागु रेडी एंड रेडी संबर में 40 41 42 42
Oh, I see Charminar. Alright, so we've arrived at the Chowmahalla palace. get a ticket first.
It's there.
So I think we have to get a ticket here. Let's go find the place.
टिकट लिनु पर्यो नि है
That's the entrance.
Holy smacks! Look at that.
Here we are at the Chowmahalla Palace. It says Indian citizens, adults 100 rupees, children below 10 years 40 rupees, foreigners 400, and mobile photography 50 rupees. So it's a Sunday afternoon. There's a lot of Indian tourists, some Westerners, and some Nepalis like us. Alright, so we just went through the security. She asked me not to use my long selfie stick. So here you are with my top quarter of my body video. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Oh, they want to go through the store. Okay, so a quick little history lesson about this palace. Chowmahalla Palace is the palace of the Nizams of Hyderabad. The word Chow or Char meaning four and Mahalla meaning palace. So dating back to the mid-18th century, these four palaces, this historical landmark offers visitors a glimpse into Hyderabad's royal past. So what did you do, Ryan?
I went to the water sprinkler
And you got wet?
and I got what? I feel fresh.
And here's what amazes me every time I visit India. There'll always be people, men and women, wanting to take pictures with me. As sweet as these ladies were, I simply can't wrap my head around it as to why anyone would want to take a picture with a stranger.
Mama, it says 1912. Rolls Royce Silver Ghost.
Wow, 1912.
1906, an April type L756, 40 HP.
And that was Chowmahalla Palace. Now off to Charminar we go.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good. Looking very good, very nice.
It's getting wicked hot. We're hungry. We want a place to sit down and have some coffee. Ryan is thirsty. आज Sunday भएको भएर यहाँ एकदमै धेरै भिड छ. Sunday market हो कि सधैँ यस्तो हो? I have no idea. Right, so we're just finishing our coffee. We are still in Charminar. The plan is to go have some lunch at the Seven Sisters restaurant in Banjara Hills. There is a really nice Himalayan/Asian restaurant. We've tried some food there before and we loved it. After that, we're gonna head to the IKEA store because I miss IKEA, and it'll be a lot of fun to walk inside in the AC.
Having coffee and we're feeding our brain in Hyderabad. All a new mindset is something different from our reality back in Nepal. Cheers everyone!
And we've been working so hard getting this resort ready. This is the first time Dorje has really come out of Nepal in about 4 or 5 years. But your trip machi, we spent most of our time in the hospital for our checkups because, you know, keeping our priorities first. We were in Mumbai first at the OTM. We went to the travel fair our first time again. Then we came to Hyderabad to go to the hospitals. घुमघाम गर्ने भन्दा पनि अब health checkup गरौँ भनेर we came to Hyderabad. offices. We are in the high-tech city. Alright guys, so we are in IKEA right now. It's very busy here. There's a lot of people everywhere. So यस्तो राम्रो राम्रो सामान छ है, तर अब के गर्ने, लगेजले गर्दाखेरि लान पाउँदैन unfortunately.
Welcome
To IKEA.
Europe.
Alright, so we are back in the hotel. Had a long, amazing day. I'm at the rooftop terrace of Hotel Mercure. This is probably my third time in Hyderabad. Hyderabad, a beautiful city known for its historic structures like the Golconda Fort, the Shahi Qutub tombs, the city of Charminar, and most importantly, a city known for its IT tech industries. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this Hyderabad vlog, my last day in Hyderabad. I will see you soon on my next vlog. Until then, you take care. Cheers everyone.